to show you kind of how the inside of this is something really different. If you look through here, if you see the knotty pine paneling and the, what I call the old roll and tuck type appointments in the interior, it's just got a real retro vibe to it. But what they managed to do, and I think it's really, really cool, they kept the kind of older look, but yet it's a light colored wood, and they've got LED lights. This particular model, and most all of the Sunset Park trailers, and especially the Sunray Classic, has what we call a dry bath. So instead of, you standing in the shower and the toilet's in the shower and all that in some of the small models like this has a complete big shower stall. It's just really a neat layout. This particular model has 2 twin beds, and it's really neat how it's fixed. This also makes down into a bed. Actually, 2 small children could sleep here. It's got a nice storage compartment there. Look at the size of this closet. In a small camper, this is absolutely amazing. These things pull great. We have some that are tandem axle. We have some that are single axle. Almost any, they've got several configurations, one of which, and you'll see in the video, has double bunk beds here that you could actually have all 4 of you on this end. One of them has a front queen bed. Almost any configuration you could want in a small camper we have. I had one fellow tell me these would be a cool looking pool house around your pool, and then you could use it as a camper too. So they're really, really neat. They're well equipped. This has a complete 2-way gas electric refrigerator like any normal RV would have, which makes it a lot better when you're dry camping. You can have your food cold off your propane. This also has a roof air unit as opposed to the little side air units that you'll see on some of the small units like this. Just a beautiful little camper. So I'm going to take you over to one of the other ones we just got in, just to give you a little idea of the different colors that you can get in a retro from Sunset Park. If a single moon hubcap is good, then 2 moon hubcaps are better, right? So this one has dual axles and has the trail air torsion suspension under it, which is really unusual in this size. A lot of times we'll have folks that love it, want a small camper, but they do like the ability of having a tandem axle, and the benefits are obvious. You got more tire surface area. If you did have a problem or a tire went flat, you can limp into a service station if you've got dual axles, and they tend to pull. You can have more weight inside of them. Their gross vehicle weight rating's higher. So we're going to take you inside. I'm going to show you this floor plan. This one's really cool. This one has a bunk configuration, so you've got a couple of extra beds back here. It's really neat. This one's made just a little bit differently, but this does have a dry bath in it. When you pull into the campground with this, it gets the attention. We get on the lot many days. This is the first thing people will walk to just because of how it looks on the outside. But it is thoroughly modern. You got a nice microwave. You got a 2-burner propane stove, and this is a 13.5. It will absolutely cool this little camper. It's just so cozy in the way it's made. This is the large booth. This makes a very nice, comfortable, big bed. So you've got 4 bunks in the back. Mom and Dad can make down a bed. It's very close to what we call a camper queen size. A lot of storage outside. This is what completes the bed on this side here. A lot of our customers will take, they'll put a little one of those small mattresses over the top of that, so it's really comfortable. This has all the capabilities, digital antenna on the top. You can hook you can get a satellite dish package with these. An electric awning with LED lights. Just really a cool camper. They ship these to us 3 at a time on a load, so that saves us on freight. We are keeping this price really competitive. We want to get some of these out of the campgrounds. We think there'll be a lot of interest in this type unit. So come by Johnston RV, take a look, see what you think.